Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a Trenderman, which is basically like a take on Slenderman. But yeah, let's do it. It's going to be just an upper body pose, very simple. Like it says, a creepypasta character. If you have any other creepypasta characters you want me to go over how to draw, let me know and I will do that, okay? So let's get started. I'm going to go over here and I'm going to draw a curved line for the top of the head. Pulling down over here, kind of the brow area. Curve in just a bit, right here to the cheek. Curve down. And then we're going to be the chin here. Pull back over here, up. All right. And curve down. We got the head there. Line down here for the neck. Line down here for the neck. All right. I'm gonna go find. He's got like a shirt on, so he's got a collared shirt. Curve over here. Out, down. Okay. And then maybe like a V shape here for that collar. Curve over here. Down right here. Line across. Down over here. It's gonna be the top of a tie right there. See that shape? Almost look like a marshmallow shape. I'm gonna fill that in. Line over here. And I'm gonna fill that in on that side. And what I'm going to do over here is I'm going to find the vest. It's going to be a V. It's right there for a vest. Before that, honestly, I got to go around here and draw the other collar. I don't know why I skimped on that line here. It's the shape, same shape as over here, but I'm going to pull it on that side, okay? Back up here, up. All right. Line, line. Over on this side, curve downward. And now we're going to find like the edge of that vest. The collar, edge of that collar of that vest. Let's go up to the face really quick. All right. He's going to have a pair of glasses on, okay? So I'm going to draw a line across here. Line across here. Curve line over here, curve line over here. Line here, line here. Line over here on the shoulder, line over here. Down, out, down. Line over here. Line over here, out, down for this side of the shoulder, down over here. Line, 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 line. All right, out over here, down. Wrinkle it down, out over here, down. Wrinkle it over here. And you have the rest of his kind of sweater, going on. Let's fill this into the bottom here, right? The tie. And if you really want, I guess we should do this. We should draw his slendery tentacles, right? On one side here. Let's do one over here. Like take on Slenderman, this Trenderman. But yeah, if you like this character, please let me know. I'm so curious. Because I'd never heard of this character until somebody suggested, okay? Suggest characters from creepypasta, and I will absolutely do it. This channel's for anything spooky, mildly scary. I know this guy's kind of just goofy. But, you know, anything in the horror genre, I will totally do it. Let me know. And I'll go over a lesson on how to do it, okay? That's pretty much it. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe now. We are a Halloween channel, but during the off season, I am still running the channel and we're doing a lot of great things. So absolutely let me know what you think and jump onto that. Yeah, give me your feedback. I want to hear your stories. I want to hear like all kinds of cool stuff. And if you do like the video, like to press like, and press like on any other channel. Likes is what supports the entire channel. That is literally what supports the entire channel, is likes. Okay, so I want to hear your opinion. I want to hear a lot of cool things from you, and I want to hear like you know, just stuff. Communicate with me, because this is the time to reach out, because when it usually shows like middle of the end of the year, like it's hard to read comments, but right now it's really simple. So thank you so much. I will talk to you next time, and I'll see you very soon. This has been Trenderman, and that's pretty much it. Okay, talk to you guys later, and high five me in the comments. Okay, this has been the darker side of drawing.
Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, you know, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, you know, long term. And I get that. That's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both. But like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy. And the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up. And you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent. And you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it.